Hello everybody, it's Nick here, back again with another video. What am I here to talk about today? I'm here to talk about good old-fashioned Minecraft. And what have I done in Minecraft? I have created the most aesthetically pleasing texture and shader pack out there, at least in my opinion, in which the texture and resource pack that I've created mimics the look and feel of that of Minecraft Bedrock Edition official NVIDIA RTX ray tracing resource packs available for that game mode. Now, for those of you who don't know, NVIDIA earlier in, I think it was 2020 or earlier this year, I'm pretty sure it was 2020, they released their RTX ray tracing add-on for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It was originally available in Minecraft Beta for Bedrock, and then it officially became public once the newest version came out, which officially supported ray tracing. And well, I originally tried it out when I officially got my graphics card in this machine, and I absolutely loved, and I mean I loved, the look and feel of the ray tracing add-on for Bedrock Edition. And I've always wanted it to come to Java Edition, because let's be honest here, Java Edition is king. That's all I'm going to say. If you disagree with me, go ahead and say in the comments below. I honestly don't really care, it's just a preference. And well, ever since I tried out the Bedrock Edition, I've always wanted to bring the RTX experience to Java Edition, since there isn't really anything available for Java Edition. And that's exactly what that's almost exactly what I've done with this creation that I have I've combined together with various different things. So now, I'm actually going to get started in telling you how exactly to create this. So, to start off here, to actually even get the realistic feel of RTX ray tracing shaders, you need actual shaders for Minecraft itself, in which to do that, you have several options, but the two best options that work for me are BSL shaders and SUS PTGI, or Sonic Ether's Unbelievable Shaders, in which you can go and get BSL for free. I think there's a paid version that has higher quality stuff in it, I'm not quite sure, but for Sonic Ether's, you do have to pay money on his Patreon for it. I did pay the money for it, so I got it. And I got the latest version of SUS PTGI E12, I think. That's what it was. I can't remember the number. But basically, I downloaded that, and I installed the shaders into Minecraft. And, well, I was playing with my friends online the other day, and we were messing around with shaders and whatnot. And, well, the cool thing about SUS PTGI E12 is that the shaders allow for emissive blocks, or glowing blocks, and which redstone, emerald, and lapis lazuli blocks will emit light, and especially in a color that that block is. So if you place down an emerald block, it will emit green light, similar to that of glowstone, as well as redstone block will emit red light, and lapis lazuli block will emit blue light. And well, the one limiting thing about SUS PTGI is that the emissive blocks are only limited to lapis lazuli, redstone, and emerald blocks. And I wanted to expand that to more blocks similar to that of Bedrock Edition, because in Bedrock Edition, at least a decorative pack, allows for all the terracotta blocks to be glowing, in which you have red terracotta, orange, yellow, lime, green, cyan, blue, light blue, the whole color spectrum basically. And I wanted to add that to these shaders. And well, to do that, I hit up the old Google machine. And well, where did that bring me? Brought me to good old-fashioned Reddit, in which I found this post by u/arcadygaming, in which the post says, I added RTX Bedrock's glowing ores into Java Edition, and concretes too. And seeing this just by the image, I figured, this sounds pretty interesting, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. In which, the original poster provides a download link in the comments section of that Reddit post, which you can go to, which I will go to right now. And it will bring you to the Planet Minecraft page where you can download this. So in the Planet Minecraft page, you have the page here, RTX 16X Glowing Ores add-on, in which it's actually a resource pack for Minecraft itself. And what you're going to want to do is just download the pack. It will bring you to an ad-free site, so just skip the ad and... Okay, so once you've clicked the download thing and you've gotten through the ad-free site, it will take you to a Minecraft CurseForge website, which you can actually, for real, download the pack, in which it has the RTX 16X Glowing Ores and concretes, in which you're just going to want to download it to your computer by just clicking the download file button here, and then that will download to your machine. What you're going to want to do from here is there's one more step that you need to do to get this to work properly, which is you need to add in a new blocks.properties file into the SUS.ptgi, or BSL shaders shader files, in which they conveniently actually leave that in the description of the CurseForge post, as well as the Planet Minecraft post as well. So you're just going to want to head over to that drive link and download that, which it shows you 2 folders in which just download the entire zip since it's just helpful. So once that's downloaded, you can just close your web browser. So once you have those downloaded, you're going to want to install them next, and I'll just tell you how to do that now. So you're going to want to go to your Minecraft folder, and to do that, if you don't have hidden files on, you're going to want to press the Windows key and then R to bring up the Run panel, and then do %app-data, % again, then press OK. And that will bring you to the roaming file, where you'll see this .minecraft folder. That is the default installation location for Minecraft Java Edition. So if you see that folder, then you're in the right spot here. So you're just going to want to open the Minecraft folder, and first we're just going to install the resource pack, in which now I'm just going to open up a new window and open up my Downloads tab. And I have here the 2 folders the 2 zip files that we downloaded. So one of them is the glowing ores. Yep, this is the one. This is the resource pack that I downloaded. So in the original Minecraft folder, you're going to want to open the resource packs folder here, and then just drag and drop the zip file onto there like so. And now we actually have to install the blocks.properties file into the shaders folder. So which you're going to want to go back to the .minecraft folder and then open up shader packs right here. And then you can see I already have several different SUS PTGI folders, because as I was experimenting with this, I didn't want to accidentally corrupt my original folder, which is why I made duplicates of it. So what I'm just gonna do here is that I'm just gonna make a new copy of this. Just gonna copy and paste that, and we'll just do SUES glowing, in which there you will have, and for you it will just say SUS PTGI if you installed it correctly. And what you're going to want to do from here is just open up the SUS PTGI folder, go to shaders, and then you'll see a whole bunch of files in here. So what you're going to want to do now is go into the RTX glowing ores block properties zip, and then go to SUS PTGI, and you'll see the same block.properties file. And what you're going to want to do is just drag and drop that into the folder and hit replace this file in the destination. And then from there you should be good to go. Things should work properly. So now I'm just going to actually just load up Minecraft, and we'll just start a brand new world here. Alright, so now that Minecraft is loaded up, we're going to load up the shaders as well as the resource pack. So just go under video settings for the shaders, click shaders, and then I'll just click SUS glowing to select that. And then once that's selected, click done, and then go back to resource packs, and then you will see, since I'm running 1.17, the actual resource pack says it's incompatible, but it works perfectly fine. So just apply that, and it will give you this warning. Just hit yes, and then hit done. And then Minecraft will quickly reload, and then you'll be ready to play. So let's create a new world, just a creative world, peaceful. Cheats are on, create. Alright, so now that Minecraft is loaded in, if you have the shaders applied, it should look just as beautiful as this. And if it does, then congratulations, you installed the shaders correctly. So now, just for this experiment, I'm going to set the time to night, just so I can show you how beautiful this stuff is. So now that it's nighttime, we're going to go to, I'm just going to type in concrete. We'll take some lime green concrete, and bam! Look at that! The block itself is glowing, similar to that of the redstone block. And for that, I'm actually going to bring up the redstone block as well, just to show you what I mean by that. So here's the redstone block, and by default, without the modifications from the Planet Minecraft page, as well as the stuff you download from Google Drive, these concrete blocks would not be glowing right now. And by default, the shader supports for redstone blocks, as well as lapis, and emerald to glow as well. So then we have emerald and then lapis blocks. which if you take it away, you can see those are all individually glowing, similar to that of like glowstone or a sea lantern, which if you look at this, it's pretty frickin' cool. And well, that's pretty much what this does. So now I'm going to tell you about what I did to modify those files that we download to get terracotta blocks to glow, similar to that of Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which, to do this, I had to go through a little bit of trial and error, but earlier this morning I actually figured it out, and it works totally fine. Now, what I did was that I looked at the actual blocks.properties file in the shader packs folder. So we're going to go into my modified one already, seuss.ptgi, shaders. If you look at this side by side, you won't really notice anything different. But what I actually changed is pretty key to get this stuff to work properly. So what you see in front of you here is what I've changed from each blocks properties file. Now on the right here is the original blocks property that I downloaded from the internet that allows for concrete blocks to glow. And on the left is the blocks.properties inside of Seuss PTGI that I modified myself. Well, the one thing to note here is that the blocks glow because they're being identified as redstone blocks, or they have the same properties as redstone blocks, and that's identified by this here, block 152 equals redstone block, and after that you have the white concrete, orange concrete, magenta concrete, in which those specific names are there for a reason. It's to tell Minecraft that the white terracotta, or white concrete, orange concrete, all the different concretes have the similar properties to that of redstone, or the redstone block, which, when you do this, it tricks the shaders into making the blocks glow, because the actual blocks.properties say that those blocks have the same properties as block 152, which is labeled as redstone. And well, that's what the original one says, is that it's all concrete. And what I did to modify mine is that I just changed everything from concrete to terracotta, because in the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, terracotta is the material that glows. It's not concrete. And well, doing this, I launched up Minecraft again, and it actually worked. And the best part about this is that I didn't really have to do too much to modify this file. Essentially what I did was that I replaced everything after block 152 redstone block. What originally was there was white concrete, and then so on and so forth, and I replaced that with everything in the terracotta family, which basically means blue, black, red, green, the whole colors of terracotta. I replaced the concrete identifiers with the terracotta properties, and that's what switched it up. And that's ultimately what you need to do to get this resource pack and actual shaders to identify these blocks as glowing blocks. And well, hopefully this made sense. I'm trying to make it make sense. Yeah, basically, I will be providing a download link for this so you guys can download it and have an actual semi-realistic RTX experience on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. And well, that's it for me, guys. If you found this video helpful and hopefully this video has made your Minecraft experience that much more beautiful, then go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment down below just giving me feedback on what I'm doing or how you like my videos and whatnot. I will respond and whatnot. So, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.